Hello plant lovers. So you might be wondering what is our team doing with something like this white sheet. Basically this is called geomembrane, right? So why do we use this? This is pretty simple. When we are doing planted box or gardening on the terrace or any part of your house, we need to make sure that only water enters through this and not the essential nutrients or the soil, because that will prevent us from water clogging at your outlet, and by using this only water gets filtered. I'll show you how this works so that you can also use it in your terrace or in your garden. So I have poured water, and as you can see there is no leakage from this. There is water here, you can see it moving, but there is no leakage. Why? Because this is a geofabric or geomembrane. It will only allow water when there is pressure on it. Basically that's why we put this as one layer. You can see our team doing it, and we'll be putting the earth or soil here, and once that is put, only then the water passes through this. So this prevents unnecessary leakage of water or passing of water, and it will also hold the nutrients at your soil, and there won't be any soil leakage from your planter box or your garden. And that's one of the tips you can follow when you're doing your terrace gardens. And follow Biotech Maali for more such content, and also DM us to get your terrace garden done.